Good morning, children. Welcome back to your English class. Children, this is a revisional lecture of chapter number 1, The Three Races, in which we will be learning about determination. We will be learning about sportsmanship and hunger for success. But before that, I would like to introduce you four major characters of this story. The very first character is the young boy, then a wise man, another is frail man. Frail man means weak man, and fourth character is blind lady. In this chapter, of course, we will be learning about this young boy who is actually hungry for success. Then, what is the role of wise man? What is the role of fragile old man and the blind lady? This let's learn. So, children, the three races. In this story, this is an old fable. Fable means story about a young athletic boy hungry for success. He anyhow wants to get success, anyhow he wants to be the winner. For him, winning was everything, and success was measured by such a result. He got the trophy, he got the medal, and for him, winning was measured, success was measured by a result only. One day, the boy was preparing himself for a running competition in his small native village. Every athlete practices for finals for the competition. In the same way, the boy was also doing the same. He was practicing, he was preparing himself for a running competition in his small native village. He was competing with two other young boys. While preparation, obviously he was competing, he was about to compete with other two boys, and finally when the day came of his running, a large crowd was gathered there to cheer the race. When the race commenced, means when the race started, all the competitors were very close to the finishing line, but the young boy was determined to win the race, so he ran faster than the rest and won. All the three competitors were very much close to the finishing line, but the young boy was determined. He wanted to win the race, so he ran faster than rest of the competitors, and finally he won the race. He was first. And obviously, whenever any winner is there, any winner is announced, then people cheer them, people wave their hands towards the winner. And finally, the boy was also feeling so happy, because which winner is there who doesn't remain happy when he wins the race? A large crowd was there. Competitors were close to the finishing line, but because of his determination, he won the race, and everyone started waving their hand for him, cheering him up. So he became quite happy. When everyone was cheering him up, one wise man was there who remained still and calm. He did not show any sentiment. But the young man felt proud and important because he was the winner. He had defeated two other competitors. Then a second race was called, and two new young fit challengers came towards to run with the young boy. Can you imagine, children, what will happen in the second race also? Of course, the second race started, and once again the young boy won. Of course, that was the second victory. The crowd was ecstatic again and cheered for the young boy. The wise man remained still and calm, again expressing no sentiments. Again, the wise man did not show any kind of sentiments that he won for the second time. The crowd was cheering. The boy was feeling so proud and happy, important that yes, I am the winner. But even then, the wise man did not show any reaction. And with happiness, with proud feeling, the boy said, another race, pleaded the boy. And the wise man came forward, and what he did this time? He brought two new challengers. The young boy with two new challengers, and the wise man presented an elderly, frail gentleman and a blind lady. What is this? Quizzed the young boy. This is no race, he exclaimed. That what kind of race it is? I have always competed with strong, powerful, young competitors. How can I run my race with them? The wise man exclaimed, race. The young boy finished the race. The other two challengers left standing at the starting line. Obviously, they could not even move because one was weak and the another was a blind lady. How could they move? The young boy ran faster and again he went up to the finishing line. But this time, when he went up to the finishing line, there was no cheer from the crowd side. They were not even waving their hands. But he was the winner this time also. Then why such difference was there that in previous two races he was the winner and everyone was cheering for him, but why not this time? The crowd was silent, showing no sentiment towards the young boy. He got puzzled. What has happened? Why do people not join in my success? Earlier they were waving their hands, they were cheering me up. He asked the wise old man. Then what the wise old man said, race again. This time finish together, all three of you. Finish together, said the wise man. That this time do not run faster than these two people. In fact, run together and try to complete the race together and reach up to the finishing line. Then the boy stood between the man and the blind lady, held their hands, and they all ran together. Slowly, they all finished the race. The crowd was cheering for them. The wise man smiled, gently nodding his head. Gently nodding his head means there was a sign of approval. Yes, this I wanted to make you understand that the people who need our help, the people who are needy or we can say weaker than us, we should take them also along with us in the race of life. The young boy felt proud and important, but he could not understand for whom the crowd was cheering, for for frail gentleman, for the boy, or for the blind lady. The boy could not judge that. He asked this to the wise man. The wise old man looked into the young boy's eyes, placing his hands on the young boy's shoulders replied softly, "Young boy, you have won much more for this race than any other you have run before. In this race, you have learned humanity, you have learned the true sportsmanship, you have learned helping others, and many more which you could never learn in your previous races." The boy naturally asked that for whom the crowd is cheering out of we three. So the wise man made him understand that it cheered for all three. The crowd cheered not for any winner, but it cheered for all three, and especially for you as a winner again and again, that you are the true winner. You have been winning the races again and again, so they are cheering, they are waving their hands for all of you. I hope, children, that the story is clear to all of you. And what is the moral of the story? That a real hero is one who helps others to accomplish something. He is not a selfish person. He always takes another also with them in accomplishing their goals also. I hope, children, that you will be watching the video and you will have a quick revision. Thank you so much. Take care of yourself. Take test regularly and get good marks. Goodbye, everyone. Thank you.